Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing a clean backup world copy so you can experiment safely. First, find your saves folder and copy the exact world folder. Include level, DAT, and region files. Once done, compress or rename the copy with a clear date stamp so you can identify it later. Make sure you also note the Minecraft version and any Forge or Fabric mods, because mismatched versions break worlds. This prevents wasted troubleshooting later and keeps your original save untouched. Now you switch into the backup and test changes without risking the original. Rename folders so the backup becomes the active world and launch Minecraft in the same version. Play for a few minutes to load chunks and check entities. If you need partial restores, use tools like MC Edit or NBT Explorer to export and import specific region files or player data. Make sure to verify spawn and critical redstone before committing. That way, you can confirm the backup behaves as expected. Finish by merging or replacing the original only after confirming the backup is stable. Keep an extra dated copy before you overwrite anything, because restorations are the last resort. If corruption appears, immediately restore the dated backup. Do not mix different Minecraft versions or mod lists, because that causes more errors. One key troubleshooting tip: if a single player or region is corrupted, delete the offending player data or region file and re-import it from the health.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.